Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Wish you all a happy new year. Today we're gonna do the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, the LTE version. This is the box. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. The watch was released back in 2022 in August, so it's not that new, but let's do the unboxing. Two seals, one on the front, one on the back. Okay, let's see what is inside. A case with, let's guess, instructions, warranty card, same, quick start guide. Not sure what else. Let's open the other side. The cable, charging cable. Okay, integrated. It looks like magnetic type. Not sure. USB-C. This type. So this is the watch, and that's all. So the watch, it has a sapphire glass, an aluminum bezel, two buttons on the right, microphone, nice design. Is IP68 water resistant, 50 meter, and is compatible with the 20 millimeter straps. This one is a 45 millimeter strap. The display is 1.4-inch AMOLED. It has always on display and a storage of 16 gigabyte and a RAM of 1.5 gigabyte. So not that much, but I think it's okay for a watch, Android watch. And it has a built-on microphone and speaker. Nice design. Size ML. Sapphire crystal LTE GPS 5 atmosphere. The battery is 590 milliampere and charging with 10 watt, and it lasts around 80 hours for a normal use and 20 hours on the GPS mode, and can charge from 0 to 45% in just 30 minutes, so that's pretty quick. It supports NFC payments, and the Bluetooth version is 5.2, It has a sleep tracking, and actually the sensor is a 3-in-1 sensor. So uh, there is a heart rate, electrical heart, and bioelectric analysis, and can also measure the blood pressure. So that's pretty cool for a watch. Uh, yeah. It has a weird lock system. Uh, yes, something like that. Yeah, it has also track back option, so you can set the location which you were before, and you can go back with the track back and some navigation features, but you're gonna need to export the GPX file, and that only works for cycling and hiking. Yeah, yeah, that was it. This is the watch. Nice. Yeah, thanks for watching. And if you like the video, please give thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.